Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today is Monday, January 12, 2026. And it's been a great start to the financial markets for the new year. Gold and silver continue to trade and make all-time highs. Other base metals, copper, platinum, palladium, they're all doing well. The stock market doing very well. Dow up 2.3% last week, up 3% year to date. S&P was up 1.5%, up 1.75% year to date. The NASDAQ is up 1.9% last week, 1.85 year to date. But the real star was the Russell, up 4.6% and well above 5% year to date. The Russell's outperformance of the NASDAQ is the greatest ever to start the year. So that, again, the broadening of the rally and the small caps really doing well. You know, one of the things that's going on, I think, is that there's a low inflation environment, and also growth is, getting stronger. And one of the signs that I see here, and it was last Thursday's news release of the trade deficit, I think is a good sign and something that's being overlooked by the financial media. We had a shrinking of the trade deficit. The imports really dropping, exports continuing to move up gradually. And this contraction, I believe, is helping a lot of domestic companies. So, whether you like it or not, the tariffs seem to be working. And I saw Scott Bessent talking about other countries removing or lessening the tariffs they have on U.S. goods coming into their country. So that provides an opportunity for U.S. manufacturers to export competitively into other countries. And that may be, I think, what's behind, among other things, behind this economic growth. And again, you may not like tariffs, you may not like Trump, but boy, it seems to be working. And the inflation is not out of control. Tomorrow we get CPI, an important number. Projections are for well less than 3% on the CPI. There's other news going on this week: a PPI, Producer Price Index, some retail sales, and then also Q4, fourth quarter earnings start coming out soon this week. Got some banks, got some other companies, and those will be watched, as well as the guidance and what these company managements talk about for the rest of 2026. So again, great start to the new year. Let's see how long it goes. We're getting a little overbought, but and there's a lot of geopolitical stuff going on too. But right now the market's just making new highs, and we'll see how far it can go. I'll be back on Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.